Hi, today we are doing chapter 8. No, that is not it. Bear with me, we are doing chapter 8. And basically, we're reversing each word in a sentence, but not reversing the order of the words in the sentence. Let's go ahead and increase magnification here. All right. So, for example, if the sentence is to be or not to be with the period, the output should be this, but with the period at the end. However, if the sentence has no punctuation, as evident here, it still reverses the letters in the words. I start with the helper function here. Essentially, it takes the argument of a string for I in range of 1 to a length of string plus 1. A nert plus equals string with the negative I. And so the I is going to start at the back end of the string and work its way through, concatenating onto this empty string of nerts here. Now, the main function is reverse each word in sentence. I do have a variable here with the letters of the alphabet called alpha. I have two empty strings, new sentence and desentence, both empty strings. So if the sentence with index of -1, so basically the last spot on sentence is not an alpha, the sentence plus equals sentence dot replace sentence index -1, and we're basically replacing it with an empty string. So we're just going to strip it off there at the start and immediately starts building the new sentence and starts by concatenating the reverse of the sentence dot split index 0. So taking the first word, that was, I believe, the letter 2, T-O, and then starting a for loop, I in range of 1 to length of string dot split. We start with the new sentence plus equals, and we're just concatenating on an empty space, plus the reverse of the sentence dot split index of I. So we'll start at 1 and work our way through the beginning of the word. And then we return the new sentence, and while we return it, we also concatenate on sentence and the index of -1. So we just concatenate right there at the ends, whatever was at the end of the original sentence. If, of course, that same index spot was not in alpha. Else, we start off by just adding the sentence is plus equals the sentence, the original string, and basically feed through the same loop. Start by adding the first word, then starting the for loop, concatenating the space before adding on the word. And so then we've got two sentences here, sentence and sentence 1, one with the period and one without. The first one to go through will be the same one printed with punctuation. So let's go ahead and give that a quick run. And as you can see here, we now have the words reversed, the letters of the words reversed, but not the actual words in the sentence themselves. That is everything that was needed for this particular assignment. Thank you. Have a good one.